Y'all get ready. Here we go. 2020, new year, new clean with me. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Hello everybody. First things first, before I start cleaning, I always like to pop a load of laundry in and get that started. That way that's going as I clean my house, and then all I've got to do is just pop it into the dryer. So when I clean, I always like to start off with a load of laundry, get that done and out of the way. So that's what we're about to do. We're going to pop this load of laundry into the washing machine and get it going. So I've got my laundry started, and I put it on a speed wash, and it's going. And today I use Tide Simply Fresh. If any of y'all go to Big Lots or have a Big Lots in your store, in your area, they have the Tide for $3. Yeah, the Tide was $3, and I thought that was a really good deal for Tide. So I picked some of that up, and I'm just using that. Next thing I want to talk about is laundry baskets. Yeah, baskets. The word was escaping me. I want to talk about laundry baskets because I feel like a lot of people fail to clean out their laundry basket, and it does have a lot of germs and surfaces on it. And I always see people clean, their houses, and they wipe down countertops and stuff like that, but they always neglect the laundry basket. Okay, you're carrying this laundry basket back and forth with your hands that also have germs on it. So what I like to do is I get my Lysol, and I always like to spray down my laundry basket. Just spray that down really well and let it sit. I don't even wipe it out. I just let it sit because that's something that we pick up and we touch a lot as well. I always see people doing their countertops, but I don't ever see anybody really doing their doorknobs or their remote controls. Maybe I'm a little OCD, but that's how I do it. Tip of the day. Okay, time to get these babies in the dryer. Okay, I'm about to get these started, and we are going to proceed on with the video. Yes, ma'am. We're about to make the bed.
passing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
Softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.